Assistance League of Phoenix has been helping children and families for just over 50 years.
I saw them one morning walking to school without shoes on. No uniform, no shoes, barefoot. I took them all to Operation School Bell. They have shoes, they love their shoes, they love their clothes. It's so great to see or to know that the Operation School Bell is doing it for the kids and only the kids.
When the child stands in front of the mirror after putting on new top, new bottom, new shoes, they almost don't recognize themselves, but what you see is a giant smile.
I had a little boy who I took through the motions, and we were gathering different items, and we got back to the area of the shoes. He took off his shoes and quickly found that those shoes were actually 3 sizes too small. I'll never forget this, but he said to me, "Thank you for giving me shoes that don't hurt my toes." So every day when I come to work, every phone call that I make, every meeting that I'm at, every donor that I talk to, I can say with full confidence that what we're doing here is a really great thing.